A year ago, Acquia Source was just a CMS. Now it's something bigger. Let me show you what changed. Acquia Source is now one tool that does 5 things: website content, AI agents, digital assets, governance, and analytics. It's still Drupal under the hood, so you get the flexibility of Drupal, but as a managed software as a service. Acquia is calling it as a command center, which means one place to do everything. What's interesting is that Acquia is not replacing Drupal. They are making Drupal disappear in the background so that marketers, they can move faster and they can focus on the content, and developers, they still get the flexibility of Drupal. So Acquia Source today is Drupal CMS plus governance plus TAM plus AI agents all in one place. But why should you care? 3 reasons. Reason number 1, less tool chaos. Acquia's goal is to reduce the number of separate tools needed by digital teams to manage content. Acquia Source brings everything under one roof: content, DAM, and governance, which means fewer tools is equal to less switching, less cost, and faster work. Reason number 2, AI with breaks and not just speed. AI agents inside Source, they can write and publish content, but every risky action goes through human first, so it's backed by human feedback, and they have the same set of permissions as your team does, so you're getting the speed of AI without losing the editorial control. Reason number 3, ready for AI search. The agents inside Source, they write the content in such a way that LLMs can read it cleanly, and this is known as answer engine optimization. Everything is based on how you write content, so no separate tool needed. So Acquia Source is betting on 3 things: fewer tools, safer AI, and AI ready content. So where does Acquia Source shine the brightest? It delivers the most value for the following scenarios: large enterprises with strict rules such as healthcare, finance, and government; brands that have multiple websites and many products to manage; existing Drupal on Acquia Cloud customers that are ready to move to a SaaS first setup; organizations that value Drupal's flexibility but also want the speed of a managed platform; and teams that are looking forward to bring multiple marketing tools under one roof. So if consolidation and governance are your priorities, then Acquia Source is built exactly for that. So what's next about Acquia Source? Here's what I'm excited about. Acquia has announced the support for Claude, Cursor, and GitHub Copilot through MCP. When this lands, your team will be able to use agents directly from the AI tools they are working in. That's a big unlock and worth watching closely. The adoption is growing, so more enterprise case studies they'll start surfacing in, and they will make the consolidation story even more concrete. Today's agents, they already handle things like campaign sites, SEO content, and accessibility. The library is expected to keep growing, and the richer it gets, the more day-to-day work it can take off from your team's plate. And hence, it's not a CMS anymore. It is Acquia's bet on what the next version of web looks like. One where AI does the work and human stays in charge. Exciting times. Follow us for more honest take on Drupal and Acquia. See you next time.